Hello class, today we're going to learn a little bit about the taxonomy of insects. Insects are part of the animal kingdom. We, being humans, are also part of the animal kingdom. Insects are part of the arthropoda phylum, and then class, it goes down to crustaceans, and then it is insects. Insects are people usually think it's any kind of bug that we see on the ground. It's not. Insects have a thorax, an abdomen, and a head, and 6 legs. We also have spiders. How many legs does a spider have? Probably 8. Scorpions, beetles. Those, even though we call them insects, are not under the classification of insects. They are called arachnids. Insects are divided up into 32 different orders or groups of insects. The largest order is the beetle with 125 different species and about 500,000 different species. 1 out of every 4 animals on Earth is a beetle. Scientists estimate 10% of the animal biomass of the world is ants, and another 10% is termites. So when we're talking about insects, we also have under the crustaceans label are crabs, shrimp, and lobsters, and also the barnacles. But also under arthropoda, if we branched out this way, we would have the coeluroids and the lobotrae. Insects we find all over the world. They can live in the Arctic. They can live where it's extremely hot. They are very resilient creatures. It is said even if we had a nuclear attack, that some insects would survive a bomb blast like that. Insects eat most of the plants on the earth. It's important because without them, the world would be covered in dead plants and animals. Insects do the world a whole lot of good by eating the dead decaying animals, the dead leaves, and everything like that. Insects, like I said, are very adaptable. They can live in the deserts, Antarctica. The only place where insects aren't found very much are in the ocean. Insects have an amazing number of differences in size and shape and behavior, but they all have 4 characteristics in common, which spiders and everything else doesn't. Insects have 3 body parts: a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. They have 6 jointed legs, 2 antennae to sense the world around them, and an exoskeleton, which is a very hard shell. In one of the other segments, we will learn more about the parts of insects. Like I said, tomorrow we will touch more on this, but I just wanted to give you a little overview right at the moment. So if you have any questions, bring them to class tomorrow. Thanks.